So done here at viewpoint, and now we are going towards the breakfast point. And now we are going to our breakfast location, and from there let's see if Kundadri is possible. Few of the riders want to go towards Kundadri. Let's see how that can be managed. So this is our backup van, or a backup car, I can say. So another 8-9 kilometers would be our breakfast location. So talking about rain, we didn't get too much of a rain. It was very mild and very moderate rain. That too, only once we came towards Agumbe is when we got rain. Otherwise today it has been a nice comfortable day to ride. So basically it would have rained last night, and that's why the roads were wet throughout, or maybe certain places would have rained and stopped just before we came there, so that's why there was wet roads. But otherwise it's been a very nice weather condition today, very nice. And look at here, wow, the fog is just too good. Every time you come here, the fog welcomes you. And this place just looks beautiful and magical. So normally if we come here, this is where we go, Hotel Ganesh Grand. Very nice, fantastic food. You know, I just love going to have breakfast there. But then, like I mentioned, today we have a little change of plan. Otherwise we had plans to go there itself, but now we are changing it by a little. And here we come to the property. It's called Hingaara, I believe, Hingaara or something like that. Wow, beautiful property. There it is. So a lot of wildlife photographer come and stay here. That's what I was told for wildlife photography is Hingaara. So you can stay also here. I'll give you all the details once I talk to the person here, what's the charges and everything.
A few moments later.
So I had a brilliant breakfast. We had some nice Mangalore style pundis, and then tomato rice and everything. Excellent food, no complaint. So I'm gonna put a link in the description, place, Google location and the name of the owner. Sushant is the owner, the person there in the pink, he's the owner. So you guys can come and experience here. And yes guys, that's all for this video. Hope you guys like this video. And yeah, the room stay, I think they charge about 2,400 per person, including 3 meals. So you can check out, and I'm also going to give their website below, so you can check out all the details there as well, and come and experience if you want to come here. That's it. Bye bye for now. I'm gonna ride back to Mangalore and see you guys soon in my next ride. Keep it rolling. Bye bye.